Assalamu alaikum, hürmetli vatandaşlar. Bugün bana biz Tayland'ın Bangkok şehrideki yani Janubi Bangkok cinayet işler sotunun aldığını tuttunuz. Bugün bu yenimde tuğanlar bu iki Uygur bomba gumandarı yani 2015 yılı 7. ayınki 17. günü Erevan butxanasida bomba vakasıdan gumanlangan iki Uygur gumandar yani musafir iki Uygur musafir yani birisi Ali Yusuf ve Bilal Muhammed'lerinki 7 yıldan bu yan bu harbiy türmede turup bu bomba gumandarlığı bombani patlatkan degan gumanlar tuturuvatkan 7 yıldan bu yan turuvatıdır. Yani bugün bu sotninki devamı. Yani ötkende 11. ayının 22, 23, 24, 25'te 4 gün ve 12. ayınki 6, 7, 8, 9 yani eğer ahırmıştı. Bu sot bular hakkındaki sot devamlaşmadıdır. Bugün bana bu iki Uygur musafirga yoki bomba gumandarniki advokatları bilen bugün bir yerde bile şundaklamla Tayland'da tutup tۇرۇلۇۋاتقان bu iki bomba gumandarı ve başka 50 adlı musafirlerimizga yakında yardımda kıvatkan bu Sodada hanım katarlarımız bugün bile aldı bilen bu sotninki qanday elib berilayotganligi, sotninki qanday davomlashayotganligi hamda bu iki gumandarninki azobga chiqishning mumkin emasligi haqidagi 7 yildan buyon bularning aqlg'uchi advokatlar bo'lish insonparvarlik bilan 10 kun pul olmay ishlayotgan janob Chorkat kampanyani chiqirish gaplashishga taklif qilamiz. Yes, Mr. Chorkat Company, why you trying to help these two Uyghur suspects? You believe they are innocent or what? And what is the result in the court?
Yeah. I'm in Thai, okay? Yeah. เพราะว่าที่ผมต้องเข้ามาช่วยเนี่ยเพราะเห็นว่าเท่าที่ดูแล้วเนี่ยเขาน่าจะเป็นบุคคลที่ถูกกล่าวหาโดยที่ไม่เป็นธรรมแล้วก็เท่าที่ดูแล้วน่าจะเป็นบุคคลที่อินโนเซนต์ก็คือเป็นผู้บริสุทธิ์และถูกกล่าวหาเนื่องจากว่าลูกความของผมได้เข้ามาเมืองไทยเนี่ยหลังจากเหตุระเบิดแล้วครับ
That's why Sushat involved with the case because of at the beginning he's considered that the case is defended is innocent because of the case and they have some things really curiosities about the case and then that's why he wants to ensure that the justice through the judicial system.
And are you very confident they will be free?
Yeah, ผมมั่นใจว่าลูกความของผมเนี่ยไม่มีความผิดนะครับเพราะว่าอย่างที่บอกก็คือเขาเข้ามาในราชอาณาจักรไทยเนี่ยหลังจากเกิดระเบิดแล้วนะภายหลังจากเกิดระเบิดนั้นน่าจะประมาณอาทิตย์หรือ2 อาทิตย์นะประมาณนั้นแหละครับอาทิตย์นึงอย่างน้อยนะครับ
Yeah, Sushat considered that he's innocent because he came into the Thailand after the bombing in the Rajputong China.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
And hazır yani bir hanımını tanıştırmakçı. Elbette bu hanım bizden Uygurlarına ait tanıştık. Şunda olsun hemen kayıtı bugün sizlerle tanıştırıp koyayım. Sodada hanım People's Empowerment Thailand yani insanların gücü yani insanların haklarını küçültüş foundasyonunki kurgucusu. Şunun bilen birle müşahitki 7-8 yıldan yağıp müşahit turuvatkan musafir Uygurlarının yardımcısı ve Uygurların yakın dostu. Sodada we know, all the Uyghurs know what's the done in the last 7-8 years for these innocent people trapped in the Thai and the refugees. They escaped from the hill, seeking the freedom, but they cannot get this freedom. And you're helping them too much. All the Uyghurs, thank you very much for you. Say thanks for you.
Thank you.
Please say something. Why you helping them? And what is your process? What is your hope from this Thai government to free of this innocent Uyghurs in the IDC detention campus?
Yeah, I am the director of People Empowerment Foundation. We are a national human rights organization. We are working to support victims of human rights violations. So that's why we help a lot of many human rights violations, including Rohingya, Myanmar. So everyone that violated by the human rights violation in this country, People Empowerment Foundation will support and take care them to make sure that all of them will be find justice. And in the case of the Uyghur that we observed for 2 weeks, we also can see that there are so many witnesses, and some of the witness is repeat in the same question, same answer. So I'm happy that today the judge and also the lawyer and State Anthony is also discussion to cut some witness, and I think that it will be very good. I heard the judge said that the chief of the Supreme Court is also suggest that for this case it should be have conclusion very quickly, because the case is also into the court for more than 8 years, and I am very happy to hear that, because I think that 2 of them right now they are the court will prove that they are innocent or not. It depends on the witness. However, after the observe the trial, I a bit confident that they are innocent. They should be illegal of the decision of the court. But the justice that delay is made until this also mean that the victim is also was violated by the delay of the process of justice. So I agree that the judge said that the Supreme Court, Chief of Supreme Court said that this case should be concluded very quickly to give the just to the defender. So I'm happy to hear that, and I hope that this process of the trial will be fair trial, because there are some good media that observe, and also there are some observer in the court. There are some Chinese embassy sick all the time in the court, but however there are some NGO and also some other observer that also interest on this issue. We as a People Empowerment Foundation take note together with the lawyer to take note and send this information to many of the embassy in Thailand, because the embassy cannot send anyone to observe the trial. We will send the report to embassy and also send to the UN agency in Thailand. So we are doing right now.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you. Mana bugün bu advokatlarınki bu Uygurlarga yardım kılıvatkan bu kişilerini özünün ağzından anladınlar. Ben Avustralya'dan bir yerge sotda nazaretçi, yani İngilizce, Uygurca, İngilizce Xitay tarafından təminləyən tərcümanınkı üstüdən nazaret qilish imtiyazı bilan qatnashyapman. O'tganki 11 aydagi 4 kunlik sot qilmishi imtiyozi bilan qatnashdim. Bu qitimki shunga qatnashyapman. İnşallah bundan keyingi sotlarga shunda shu imtiyoz bilan qatnashishga umid qilaman. Bu sotninki men bu sotga qatnash jarayonida men shuni his qildimki, gerçi Tayland Xitay hükümetindeki besimiga shunda yo'liqayotgan bo'lsa-mu, lekin bu yerda bir adillikning, qonunning ustuvorliginiki, sotning odilligini ko'ryapman. Shuning bilan birga bizniki bu bolalarniki advokatlari, ya'ni qonuniy maslahatchilarniki qancha kuchli, isbotli bir ishlarni ilib berayotganligini ko'ryapmiz. İnşallah bular pat arada erkinlikka erishgusi. Ben bu nimelerge, yenimdikilerge İngilizce bir nimeni dep qo'shim mümkün. Şunu ruxsat qilsanglar. We have a so strong team, legal team. We have a humanitarian and volunteers are under us, and especially this to Uyghurs. And the plus, I believe the Thai government and this long history and the good culture and the justice in this and under this king. God bless the king, and God bless the Thai, and God bless this justice of this court. So I believe will come out and the justice will prevail in the end. They will be free. I believe with this one. Thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. Mana bugün bu Tayland parlamentida, yani bugün 12. ayının 8. günü bu 8. gündeki sotni tugutib bu parlamentda keldik. Bugün mana Tayland'daki güzel parlament binasıken böyle koralları yaxshi yasalgan bu yerga bir ziyoratga keldik. Onun üstüge yani bir saatdan keyin Tayland Tashqi ishlar ministerligi yoki tashqi ishlar bo'yicha parlament a'zosi bilan ko'rishadigan bir ko'rishimiz bor. Shu maqsadda birinchidan Tayland hukumatiniki Tayland parlamentini ziyorat qilish, ikkinchidan tashqi ishlarga munosabatlik parlament a'zolarininki komissioneriydi, ya'ni Thai Parliament Foreign Affairs komissioner bilan bir ko'rishish, uchrashish bir nimamiz bor. Bu uchrashishimizdagi sabab 8 yildan buyon Taylandda tۇرۇلۇۋاتقان muhacirlar, yani musafirlarninki şahsida ve Tayland hükümetinin ularga bo'lgan bir yordamlari, ularni bir misada 8 yil tutuş sebepleri ve ularning buyoqqa kelib qilish sabablarini tushuntirish, ularni bir qaysi yo'l bilan bir o'ziniki orzusi bo'lgan erkinlikka erishtirish haqida bir qarorlar bo'lishi mumkin. Suhbat bo'lib qolgandan keyin suhbat jarayonini bir qarashga, yani bir xabar qilish mumkin. Thank you very much and meeting you in this beautiful parliament, and I'm proud of and thank you very much for your time. You tirelessly working for this Uyghur refugees freedom. And all Uyghur and the back in our home and abroad, especially our president, World Uyghur Congress President Dr. Esa, all the board members say thanks for you. Appreciate what you've done. Please couple of words there.
And
My Uyghur.
we consider that this problem, what happened in IDC, Thai IDC, is very bad, and that this shouldn't happen like this, and we will try, to make Uyghur can live like a human being. Is something that really important, and I know, many Uyghurs in Thailand, they live in the IDC for many years, and no hope that when they can be free. So this problem, this is my big concern, and I believe that one day we will do this right.
We never lose hope, because we have the people like you, and I believe your influence will be in this parliament, and will be listen to your voice in this parliament, make this happen as we wish. This Uyghur refugees will be free in the future, living like a free country and with normal human. Thank you very much for your work. Thanks. Okay. Hazır Tayland parlamentindeki ziyaretini tüketip çıktık. Yani bugünkü köşken parlament azası, karşı partiyaninki parlamentdeki azası, Rangsman Roma diyen parlament azası. Bu kişi the Thailand Parliamentary Committee for Foreign Affairs, yani Tashqi ishlarga oid parlament a'zoligi komiteti yani bu kishi Taylanddagi Uyg'ur musafirlar yoki Uyg'ur refujilarniki erkinligi, tezroq erkinlikka chiqish uchun parlamentda ko'p bu masalani o'tirgan va bu masala ustida ko'p ajrlar sindirgan Uyg'urlarniki Tayland parlamentiga rahmat.